Good morning, children. So you know your tests are coming up and you'll have to revise for your tests. Okay, the portions have been sent. You'll have to just do the paper in the format that I'm giving you now. Okay, children. So first we will do write the missing letters. Okay, so you have to fill in the missing letters. So when I give you the paper, say fill in the missing letter. Okay, so the first one I'll give you say B dash T. So you'll have to fill what comes in between B and T. Okay, so what comes in between B and T, children? B A T. All right. The next one I'll give you M dash G. So you'll have to fill what comes in between M and G. So you'll think what you'll have to write here, M U G, mug. What is this, children? M U G, mug. Then P dash N. So what is this? What has to come in between P and N, children? What is this? S dash T. So what letter has to come in between this? You can add any of the two letters. Okay, so we have done AT words, IT words, IN words. So think of which suitable word you can put here, letter you can put here and make a word. So you can either write SIT or SAT. Okay, so SIT or SAT. Okay, so the next main will be you'll have to match the object to the word. Okay, match the object or picture to the word. To the right word. So I will draw pictures here and I'll write the words on that side. So first I'll write some words here. Okay, so now okay, so you have to match the correct image to the given word. So can you all read this word? This is CUP, cup. So where is the cup here? Where do you find the cup? This is the word cup, and where is the cup here? Is this a cup? Is this a cup? Yes, if this is the cup, you will have to match it to the cup. Okay, so what is this, children? The next word will be bat. B-A-T, bat. So where can you see the bat here? Where can you see the bat? Okay, so we match the letter to the object. Okay, what is the word that is left? P-O-T, pot. So where is pot? Where do you find pot? Here is the pot. So we match pot. Okay, so this will be your revision pattern. Okay, and then you will have another main to do, that will say you have to write 3-letter words with the given sight words. So you'll have to write 3-letter words. So I will give you, first one will be A-N words. So you will have to write 2 words with ending with A-N. So tell me 2 words ending with A-N, children. F-A-N. Okay, F-A-N. One more word. Give me one more word, children. One more word. T-A-N. Tan. So the words ending with A-N will be F-A-N. Fan. T-A-N. Tan. Now I'll give you a word with OT words. Okay, so what can you find, which word can you find ending with OT? So the first word will be H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. And the second one, what will it be? What can it be? P-O-T, pot. Okay, so the word ending with OT is H-O-T, hot, and P-O-T, pot. Okay, children, so you all have to revise this. I will send you the revision paper also on WhatsApp, and you all have to send it back to me. Okay, thank you.